Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today, let's solve this exercise with me. Okay, so we need to start from let the square root of 4x plus 6 equal to y. So then 4x plus 6 is equal to y squared. Okay, let me see about this equation. So the original equation is the square root of 3x plus 6 plus square root 4x plus 6 equal to 8. Okay, so then I write 3x plus 6 to 4x plus 6 equal to square root of 4x plus 6 and minus x, because 4x minus x is equal to 3x and equal to 8. Okay, then I am substitute 4x plus 6 by y square, and the square root of 4x plus 6 equal to y. Okay, so I substitute it to y plus y square minus x and equal to 8. Then we can raise both sides to the power of 2. So we can write like that is the square root of y plus y square minus x square and equal to x square. Okay, then y plus y square minus x is equal to x square. So we can write y square plus y equal to x square plus x. So we see that y square plus y and x square plus x is the same equation. So we get y equal to x. Okay, so since we know that, then this 4x plus 6 equal to y square. Yes, 4x plus 6 equal to y square. But x is equal to y, so I replace x by y. Then the equation will be 4y plus 6 equal to y square. Okay, so then, oh, then we can write it to 4x plus 6 equal to x square. Okay, because we want to find the value of x. So the equation became to x square minus 4x and minus 6 and equal to 0. So then I can write it to x square minus 2 times x times 2 and plus 2 square and minus 10, because 2 square minus 10 is equal to the negative of 6, and yes, and equal to 0. So for this expression, it's gonna be 2x minus 2 square and equal to 10. Okay, so then we can get x is equal to 2 plus and minus the square root of 10. Okay, but we know that x is greater than 0. Okay, so for the value of x equal to minus the square root of 10 is less than 0. So we can use it. Yes, because it not satisfy the equation. Yeah. So therefore x is equal to plus the square root of 10. Okay, this is the real root of this equation. Yes. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, I hope you subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.